10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, Lola Bibe! We love you!
Ay, Nanay Bibe, happy birthday. Sorry, tadi kami makaiyan, nagpo mga loob, nagpo kami makulit, pero sana maglawig pa buhay mo. More blessings and bigyan kami siton or pag maginig ka sabi, magbinaydan na sa nakanan.
Happy birthday, my baby. Ingat sa natin.
Happy birthday, Nay. We love you.
Hi, Nanay. Happy 68th birthday po. Stay strong po palagi. Lagi pong mag-iingat. Stay bagets. Yun lang po at happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday po, Mama Baby. Stay healthy, keep safe, and God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Say happy birthday, Nanay. I love you, Nanay. Flying kiss na, Nanay. Say Jesus. Thank you. Thank you for this day. It's Nanay's birthday. God bless, Nanay. We love you. Flying kiss.
Happy birthday, Lola. Thank you sa pag-aalaga niyo ko iling ako. Sana ingat sa lega and stay healthy. Happy birthday, Lola. I wish you a good health and more birthdays to celebrate.
Happy birthday, Nanay! You cook donut because it's your birthday.
Luby, happy birthday. Happy birthday, be. Sa magayon kong ngol. Sana nakulpang birthday na umabot sa buhay mo para magban pa sa ika na sana magayon kong ngol. Dana. Mabuot. Happy birthday, Oli.
Hello, babe. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa buhay mo. Ulit. Sabay tayo. Happy birthday, Bibi.
Happy birthday, day.
Happy birthday, Mama Baby. Wish na mo ka naman na good health. Ingat ka perme. And enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Nay. More blessings and birthdays to come. Ingat palagi. Pasensya na po, hindi ako nakauwi. Yun lang. Love you.
Lanay, magandang umaga o magandang gabi sa iyo dyan. Kamusta na to? Nais mo lang kayong pag-iintay ng maligayang kaarawan. Hindi lang sa araw na to, pati sa araw-araw ng buhay na naging maligaya ka. Sapagkat ito ay biyaya ng ating Diyos na maayos ang buhay at magandang kalusugan. Basta ingat lang sa yung sarili at alagaan ng ating kalusugan. Mahal ka namin na happy birthday ulit. God bless.
Hi, Be. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang maba pa ang buhay natin. Ilayo sa anumang karamdaman. Bigyan lagi tayo ng malusog, malakas na pangangatawan para sa ating mga apo. So, sige na. At wish ko lang bigyan tayo palagi ng malusog, malakas na pangangatawan sa araw-araw. Always masaya. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Ako po si Martin Rivera, greeting you on this very, very special day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday ko.
Sana nag-enjoy ka ngayon and I hope you get all the blessings that you have been asking for. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. And may you always be happy.
And happy birthday to you, and I hope you have an all awesome time over there, wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Greetings! Greetings from Manila.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.